Lagay natin yung bag natin dyan, guys, para kitang-kita talaga nila.
Da, siksiya sa lubot to. Dali kasi. Twerk it like mine.
Welcome back sa ating channel. So today's Tuesday and kung makikita nyo, naka-aura si atin nyo kasi meron kaming video call sa work at 11:30. So meron kaming meeting. Even if we are all working from home, we try to keep the connection and yung fun sa opisina. So every week, we always do this dress up thingy. So this week, yung theme namin is dress up as your favorite celebrity or anything. Basta yung idol mo lang. And then now, wala naman akong outfit na mga heroes o mga ganyan. So I decided that I'm gonna work with what I have. So today, naisipan kong mag-dress up as Tita Jinkee Pacquiao. O, diba? Kasi celebrity din yan siya, guys. Diba? Kasi wife yan siya ng boxing champion. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung look na na-create ko. And, bahala na sila, guys. Wala mas na kailakang Jinkee Pacquiao bitaw. But, unless they will check the Instagram. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I came up with. And, I think it's pretty good. Ito yung outfit natin, guys. Ayan. Oh, diba? Tita Jinkee lang talaga ang dating. So, I've got this dress from Gucci. Ayan. May paano-ano pa dito, guys. Oh. Ayan. And then, I really like this dress, guys. Very formal, but very chic at the same time. And then, I paired it with these shoes. Tingnan nyo. Kasi maganyan si Ate Jinkee, guys. And ang aking anak is nagsuot din siya. Mommy! Yes, honey? Wow, nice shoes! So, ito yung high heels na sinuot ko, guys. Kasi, meron talagang ganito si Tita Jinkee. And, featuring my Hermes Birkin. Ayan. Kasi, marami talagang Hermes Birkin si Tita Jinkee din, guys. So, I ended up with this outfit. Ayan. So na, mag-video ko lang kami. And to complete the look, guys, kailangan meron tayong sunnies. Ayan. Oh, ayan, Tita Jinkee. Ano na, asa na si Mami D? So, ayan yung look natin today, guys. Bahala na sila, guys. Oy, sila na ang mag-adjust. Kasi ito lang ang meron ako. Ayan. I really like this look, guys. And you know what? Dressing up this morning, I really miss going to work. Kasi pag nag-work ako, guys, I always love to dress up. Kaya yan, namimiss ko yung mga damit ko na sinusuot ko sa opisina, guys. Kaya it's really good na yung office namin and yung kumpanya, they keep doing these things, you know what I mean? Kahit sa bahay kami, we still have some fun. So ayan, guys, let's go to our meeting. And si Paris, guys, ayan siya. Oh, wala pa siya nagpaulahi sa iya. Sinuot din niya yung sapatos niya. Very nice shoes. Nak, what's the color of that shoes, Baba?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, honey. So, dito na ako ngayon sa harap ng computer ko, guys. So, as you can see, yung kamay ni Mike, ayan. Kasi back to back kami. Diyan siya. Tapos si Paris, kung makikita nyo, is nandun. So, working from home din siya. Tapos, pag yan siya na-bored, yan, iiyak siya. Tapos, isa sa amin ni Mike ang mag-aalaga muna sa kanya. Yung meeting pala natin, guys, is in 3 minutes. So, ayan, ready na yung mga props ko dito, guys. So, yung sapatos ko, hindi naman nila makikita. But anyways, whatever. So, yung bestie ko, guys, diba, magkasama na kami sa trabaho. Nag-message siya ngayon lang, sabi niya, Jinkee, are you ready? Nag-send ako ng picture, guys. Ayan. Oh. Tapos, sabi ko, How about you? Kasi naproblemahan din siya guys kay wala daw siya awaton. So this is what he's done. Have a look. Hooker now. Super funny. Daddy, have a look at Ron.
What's wrong? Last one?
Hooker.
Looks like Kim Jenner. Chris Jenner.
Yeah. Kaya gustong-gusto ko yung kumpanya namin guys kasi even though lahat kami nag-work from home but hindi pa rin namin winawala yung fun. Kasi pag nasa office kami, we're very yung parang interacting, ganyan. Pero ngayon kasi nasa bahay lang kami. But at least once a week, meron kaming ganito. And it's really, really fun. It's starting now guys. So, see, tingnan natin ang ano guys. Hindi ko maipakita sa inyo ha kung mga suot nila pero baka maka-steal tayo ng picture. Lagay natin yung bag natin dyan guys para kitang-kita talaga nila. Uy, gamit-ngit ba? Di na ako makita akong screen. Okay, I'm ready. Alright. Uy, kinuo ko. Where is the sun?
You can drink real beer, it's fine.
Buddy,
Hi. Good morning.
Hello. Gonna rename my name. Loving the outfit. Rita, my goodness, you look crazy as a little ninja. Randy. Oh my god, these are all. No. On your top. Button.
there's no button. Easy, sweetheart. No button needed.
I love it. That's awesome. Very cool.
That's easy access.
That's awesome. Yeah.
It's an action.
So Liz, I know who you are, but for those on the call, let's get you to tell everybody who you are.
Jamie from Big Girls. Yeah, just he's all listens. She doesn't even go here. That's my name.
You should that. That's so clever.
I don't really have a costume. I threw this together in like the last 5 minutes. These are my long sunglasses.
Josie, Jinkee Pacquiao.
So I know no one knows about her, but I know her. Ron knows her too, so that will do. Well, I couldn't really think of anyone, and there's one thing that I learned in my life that you just work with something that you have. So yeah, so I'm wearing this because Jinkee Pacquiao is actually the wife of Manny Pacquiao, like the boxing champion. And yeah, if you check her Instagram, it's crazy. So I'm just wearing this Gucci dress and got my Birkin. I've got my, I don't even know, that's probably why it's very dark, because I've got my sunnies on. I was wondering why my screen is so dark. But I've got this, and I can't wear it because I am actually working on the floor. So I've got my high heels on as well.
But next time I'll have to mark it better.
Now we will just think that you're Incredible Hulk, Will, because like
Yeah, most people don't.
yeah. So that's how I see you. So it's okay.
Thanks. Cheers.
Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Let me say hi, babe. So now guys, tapos na yung meeting namin mga Ano yun? Mga half an hour? Back to work na naman. Kiss mga be. Go play ko. Show them your eyes, be. Show them eyes. What's the color of your eyes?
Black.
This one ba? This ice cream. What's the color?
Green.
Green. Good girl. So back to work na naman tayo, guys. Trabaho is...
Baby.
Love you, na. B, put the nappy. 1 o'clock na pala ng hapon, guys, and we are going on a lunch break. Daddy and I decided again na we will take our lunch break together para malakad namin si Paris dun sa shop kasi pag lunch break namin, yun yung time na bumibili ng kape. But, yan guys, 1 o'clock. 1:08 na pala siya. Ayan. But, Paris is here and Daddy's just getting ready. Anak! Anak! Ayan si Paris, guys. Pinasuot ko siya ng jacket kasi it's very madilim sa labas. Maginaw po siya. What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, hey, yeah. I said, hey. What's going on? You think it's funny? You think it's funny tingog ni mama na? Rockabye baby in the treetop. What is that? Humpty Dumpty. Okay. Humpty Dumpty. Si Daddy na ito ipakanta na kay ito siya magbalad. Sat on the wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men. Come on, Daddy. Couldn't put Humpty together again. The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched him up to the top of the hill and he marched him down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. When tramps get up in the morning, they always say good day. Can you still remember that now? Are you too old for that? Doctor na lang. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. She called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with his... Ay, nara yung doctor din. Ay, siya ang doctor. Malabay na. Here. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. And he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. Okay. He looked at the dolly and she shook her head. She said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for some pill. I'll be back in the morning if the dolly's still ill. Is the monkey okay, doctor? Yeah, check her heart. Check her heart if the monkey's okay.
Time to go.
Yeah. How's the monkey, doctor? Oh, monkey. Oh, is the monkey okay, doctor?
Picture.
Oh, it's better?
A picture.
Huh?
A picture.
A temperature. Sorry, honey. Oh, mama don't understand. Checking the monkey's temperature. Is the monkey okay? The monkey have fever now?
Bed.
Oh, bed. Put the monkey back to bed. And we're going now, honey. Alis na kami, guys. Kita-kits later. Bye. And mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Come na. Let's go. Yeah, she's gonna jump in the pram. Hold, Mama. Oh, good job. Oh, good job. Oh, come on na. Jump in the pram now so we can go.
Excuse me.
Daddy, oh, shush. Wow, strong girl. Guys, sobrang dami ng birds dito, guys. Oh. Ay, hindi mo makita, guys. But naririnig yan, oh. Si Paris, excited kay siya, oh. Yeah, lots of birds. Yeah, in the tree. How many birds? Ala, saba kayo. Namang good siya mga bulak, oh. Ilangga, kalingawan. Anyways, abi ninyo gulay. Madipadol din sa Australia, guys, maaw. Para sa tugwayan sa inyong mga pigs. And guys, yan nyo guys, oh, ito talaga yung sa dami ng shoes ni Mike. This one is my favorite. Pakita, Dabi? Tadi. Show me the shoes. And this one from Adidas. I really love it. Kung meron lang talaga silang pang girls dito. Kung meron silang pang girls, bibili talaga ako, guys. But this one, this particular color, it only comes for ano, sa men's. Ayan. Da, sexy sa lubot to. Dali kasi. Buang mo na siya eh. Twerk it like mine. Ay, kulong mo. Suot natin niya, guys. Oh, Ugg boots. See, very cold man siya, guys. Guys, oh, meron siyang baby chino. Pero gi-straw niya. And Daddy's got the latte, as always. And I've got hot chocolate. Ayan. Normally, guys, hindi kami dyan bumibili ng hot drinks namin. But, si Mike kasi, naawa siya ba sa may-ari kasi nag-close yung shop nila before, guys. Maybe last month kasi may matanda na nag-drive ng sasakyan niya ba tapos nag-drive niya sa window. Kaya they are still fixing it. And meron pang ganyan, guys. Oh, and he's just starting to build up the, you know, like his customers again. Kaya sabi ni Mike, doon tayo bumili para ano daw, i-support daw namin siya. Masarap naman yung kape niya, guys. First time namin to. Do you like coffee?
Yeah, he's beat and shine.
Yeah.
But hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's nice.
Better than shine?
So, I'm back to working, guys. And ang batang gamay is misa ka sa lamisa. Ang gituplok ang shutdown sa laptop ni Mama. Hala, nak. Hala. My boss is calling now, oh. Hala, angry na karon, angry. Mataga ka diya. Ngayon lang siya nagising. Kanina pa kami nakauwi eh. Mga ano na ngayon, mga 4 o'clock na ngayon ng hapon. And nagising siya. And, ayan, wala na. Off na ang laptop na. Nawala na. Wala na. And ayan, nanonood lang siya ng ano ng Peppa Pig. Baba, eat your orange. Baba ka.
Ooh, what's that?
Ah.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? Show Mama?
It's a baby.
Show Mama?
It's a baby.
Nak, ipataas imong pants, nak. Ayan, kailangan kong mag-log-in ulit, guys. Ay, itong bata na to, eh. Anak! Uy! Uy! Where's the baby? Is the baby okay? Huh? George Mercury?
Go, that's your home.
Huh? What would you like to do? Wala na, nak. Di na kasulog si Mama, nak.
Hello.
Hello?
That's your home. Look, baby, the head. See now.
Doctor, help! Baby's hurting. Nawa na, na-hurting na. Hello?
Hitting.
Hello, Paris? Do you need a doctor?
Yes, that.
What's wrong? What's wrong with the baby?
See,
Huh? What's wrong with the baby? Call the doctor. Huh? What is that? Check the baby na. Uy, check the baby. What is it? Kaya pala sinasabi niyang may ants, guys. May ano pala dito, guys. Oh, ano tawag dito? Grasshopper. Hala, guys. Alam niyo, guys, di ba sa Pilipinas yung may mga ganito, guys, yung may nagbibisita na kaluluwa? Hala, baka sa... Maybe this is Pops, honey. Say hi to Pops.
Mommy.
Yes, say hi to Pops.
Eggs.
Yeah, ants. It's the grasshopper, that honey girl. Hello.
Green eggs.
Yeah, green ants. That's Pops. Pops visiting you. Say hi, Pops.
Green eggs.
Say hi, Pops.
Green eggs.
Hello guys, ni minsan sa bahay na to, kahit sa ibang bahay pa namin guys, hindi talaga kami napasukan ng ganito. Saan naman to siya dadaan?
Mommy. Mommy.
Hello guys, no? Yes, honey.
Green eggs.
Ants. Naniniwala ba ako sa ganyan guys? Sa yung kasabihan sa atin ba na pag may butterfly or mga ganito, mga kaluluwa na nagbisita. Kasi ngayon kasi ano guys, i-cremate yung lolo ni Mike. That's Pops now. Yeah, we'll tell Daddy. Tell me, Daddy. Have a look.
Daddy.
Show Daddy.
This is the mommy egg.
Yeah, Daddy will take it out. Yeah, that's Pops visiting you, honey. Yeah, thank you for visiting, Pops. We miss you. Uy! Arti pa siya. Daddy will take it out. 5 o'clock na, everyone. So, tapos na kami mag-work ni Mike. Ayan. Why is your face like that? Are you pooing or something? He can't hear me, guys. Oh, kasi meron siyang ano sa dalunggan niya, guys. Oh. But natapos na yung work namin, and now maglilinis ng kami. Uy! Ano siyang buang, uy. Maglilinis na kami ng bahay, guys, and I don't know, did you like the guys, yung pa-outfit natin today? I really I'm actually What are you doing?
Bumming.
Bumming. Gustong-gusto ko talagang guys, gawin yung more of the recreating Jinkee Pacquiao's outfits. And kanina isa lang yun guys, but I really want to do more of that. So let me know kung gusto nyo rin guys. Kasi plano ko talaga yan guys, nakasulat na talaga yan sa listahan ko na gagawa ko ng recreating Jinkee Pacquiao o Heart Evangelista's outfit. So I'm very excited for that. And again, yun lang yung guys, yun yung nangyayari dito sa bahay on a daily basis. Right now na naka-lockdown tayo, working from home, and again, it's very good for our company na ginagawa pa rin nila yun guys, yung mag-video ko and provide something fun para sa mga workers, because it's it's very important to keep that vibe guys, yung parang like you're still a team and nag-uusap pa rin kayo kahit wala kayo sa office. Ay, sure, hinahanap ko man ang aming baby, oy. Yesterday, she was very suki, guys, but today, she's very happy. Nak, di ba na-say hi, nak? Wala, nag-lipstick. Did you put lipstick on? Be, show mama, be. How to put lipstick on? Here, look in the mirror, man. Look in the mirror. Here. Yan, how to put lipstick on. Wow, beautiful girl. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and also
Hit the subscribe button.
What? Again, Daddy? What was that?
Hit the subscribe button.
To be a part of this family. And dapat bata nga sige yaw-yaw, oh. Sige make up.
Up and.
And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye!